Hi there. This is going to be a quick review of how to work with your self-directed search results. First, I would like you to remember that the tool focuses on your top three. And in this particular example, this individual came out social, artistic, and conventional. Now, what does end up happening is that the tool then will look at your next one, your fourth one. So in this sample, this individual was investigative. So what I want to show you is how to use this tool better. And we're going to go all the way down because exploring occupations just gives you those occupation lists. But when you go to further exploration of your occupations, what it is doing here is it is embedding, if you see here, this particular example, their fourth quality was investigative. Now, if you look at the tool, you click on the funnel and you can choose what codes you want. That can then delve deeper into what occupations might be there. So let's just say, I just want all of the careers or occupations where I am social and artistic. I don't want something else. So here's a social and artistic, social artistic, social artistic. This one just has artistic, and this one just has social. This one has social and artistic. This one does not. Here's social and artistic. As you go down the line, social and artistic. There's no artistic here, no artistic here, no artistic here, and we continue down. So I'm going to apply these. So what's going to happen is here are the occupations that seem to work with me in the investigative and social and artistic. So what happens is you can do this with everywhere you see a funnel. Okay, maybe I want to I don't want it to even have any degrees, so I'm going to clear all. Now I don't want to ruin my study here, but if I do that, I apply it, and of course there's nothing there. So let's go back and let's select all so that I can come back here so we can see. Also here are your career clusters, which we're going to talk about a little bit further down the line. Quickly. So basically architecture, construction. Okay, so you say I want all of my social and investigative and artistic, but you know what? I'm really not interested in IT. I'm not interested in public and safety. I'm not interested in marketing and sales or STEM or transportation. I am in human services, health, finance. I don't know about that. I don't know about business. And then we apply it, and then it will give you, looks like they were there to begin with. Or it gives you in the order. Sorry about that. So here is your order of human services. You scroll down, it clusters them into those groupings. Education, so you can see where they are. So anytime you see that funnel you can select on. There's the funnel here, and it's kind of like what I love, what I don't love. Now, let's take another step, because we don't want to take too much time, is you can look at your occupational daydreams, but what we really want to go down, all the way down to, are the career clusters, because basically you can go into a particular career cluster and let's say, you know what, maybe I want marketing, sales, and service, but I need my social and artistic to come in there. So you can select again on the code or order it, that arrow orders it, and so you then have to walk through. Here's social here, and maybe I'm not enterprising, so I'm not sure about that. So I may just want to look at, what is just social in these career clusters, or even artistic. Here's social and artistic. Okay, and that really is, let's get rid of those, this, and this, that's, so again, this is all you're doing as to what and how you want things, and then it will order it for you. You really have to sit and think, what are the qualities I want to use that I am the best at? And in terms of what I scored at, you can always manipulate it. And I hope that this was helpful. And if you have any questions, you can give me a call. So that's it.